Hey everybody, welcome back to In Bed with a Millennial. I'm the Millennial, Javeda Bay, and this is my bed. So, today is March 8th. Do you know what that means? It's International Women's Day. Yes, 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 yes. And though we should honor, respect, praise, adore women every day of the year, today is a day specifically for that. It's like, yes, it is. That's what today is about. Women and all the greatness that they have. And it falls in Women's History Month. So, like, really just take all of March to really celebrate the women in your life. But I'm here to just throw a little bit of tidbits at you in case you might have let them like fall away in the hustle and bustle of Juve Day and all that jazz. We're going to talk about a few things. First things first, trans women are women, period. Trans women are women, period. So WOMEN, Women's Day includes trans women. That's it. That's all. That's point number one. Point number two, women are not here to be baby factories. Women have the right to choose if they want to have children, if they don't. And if they don't, guess what? They're still a woman. They're still a respectable woman. They are still a woman worth all of the admiration, appreciation, and love that every other woman on the face of this earth gets. So, yeah. Also, stop asking women if they're going to have children when they're going to have children. Just stop, y'all, please. Next, protect Black women. Protect Indigenous women. Seriously. For real. Protect Black women. Protect Indigenous women. Just do it, all right? All year round, not just today. Always. Always. Nextly, pay women. Pay women, especially Black women. Pay. Run the coin. Give us the bag. Money, money, money. Work too dang hard to get scraps, okay? Women do a lot. Women, as Beyonce said, run the world. So pay them for running the world. Real money, not this chump change that can barely like afford people to pay rent. Pay women what they're worth. Especially if you're in a position of power, use that power to elevate someone else. Give them the status, give them the money, give them what they need to be successful, to live the life they want. Okay? Okay. Lastly, because I'm not going to keep you here long, this is not just a one day thing. This needs to be all the time. And that means all the time you need to understand that women are complex. They look different. Women don't have to fit into a specific box. Women can exist however they dang well please. So that means whatever a woman chooses to do with their life, however they choose to present in their life, whatever way they exist in this world is a valid way to be a woman. And you need to respect that. You need to honor that. You need to celebrate them as the woman that they are, not the woman that you want them to be. So, on this International Women's Day, I want you to go and celebrate the women in your life. I want you to text them. I want you to just, out of the blue, send them a text thanking them for what they do for you, how you appreciate them, how you look up to them. Thank them because the things women do, it's just beautiful. We deserve to hear appreciation for that all the time, but especially today because like it's on the calendar and we know how much people love holidays. So take this holiday to do that. And every day, just remember like that woman is doing such great things. She is phenomenal. She is amazing. She is impeccable. And she deserves to hear that from me because she probably don't hear it enough. So tell the woman in your life that and share this video with them or anyone else in your life who needs to hear a reminder that they should do these things to women, for women all the time. And come back next week because you know I'm gonna have a new video, I promise. Make sure you're subscribed and you follow my Instagram. You're checking out my website for sex ed content and I'm gonna see y'all later. Deuces.